Hi guys, just want to briefly touch on Transport Layer Security 1.3, the business justification for moving to TLS 1.3. That being said, I'll start off by giving you a quick definition of TLS 1.3. It's a protocol that provides communication security between client-server applications that communicate with each other over the internet. Everything's done over the internet, right? Client-server applications are always using the internet. So, it's old news. Um, Transport layer security is used to secure web browsers, web servers, VPNs, databases, database servers, and more. You have to remember back in the day, TLS evolved from Netscape. Remember them? That old company? At that time, they used secure socket layer. Okay? Now, TLS has superseded that. And you're going to find that SSL and TLS are still sometimes used interchangeably today. But you should be talking about TLS, not SSL. And just want to touch on the handshake process for TLS. The TLS handshake protocol enables the client and server to authenticate each other and select an encryption algorithm before sending data. I consider this to be encryption in transit. This protects encryption in transit or in motion, so to speak. So that's basically all I want to say on that, because it's a very hot topic. You can go on all day with this thing. So the next process that I like to mention is that there's another piece to this that is really important. TLS also enables perfect forward secrecy by default. Now you're probably wondering, what is PFS? Well, you can look at it like a cryptographic technique that adds another layer of confidentiality to an encrypted session. During that session, it ensures that only the two endpoints can decrypt the traffic. Now, that's really important. With perfect forward secrecy, if a third party were to somehow record an encrypted session, they will not be able to access that data. Okay? So this protects you from that third party. So there's some added advantages here. Another point to bring out is that all government agencies as of January 1st of 2024 will be supporting TLS 1.3. I will repeat that. All government agencies as of January 1st of 2024 will be supporting TLS 1.3. According to NIST, you could fact check that right now. So another point to bring out, moving to TLS 1.3, we get to use stronger ciphers, which will protect our data. Okay? And it's faster, performance-wise. Okay? And like I said, it uses, by default, perfect forward secrecy. All right? And again, performance is a big deal. So to migrate from TLS 1.2 to TLS 1.3 should be a no-brainer. It should be a very simple process to do for your stakeholders and server teams to set up the configuration files and to be able to do this process. You all need to sit down and discuss this process, how it's going to be done, how you guys are going to support it. It's a pretty important step in the overall process. All stakeholders need to be involved in this. Planning needs to be involved. Strategic planning needs to be involved. And it should start right now if you haven't already done so. So I do recommend moving from TLS 1.2 to TLS 1.3 to stay in step with what the government will support. The government will support TLS 1.3 as of January 1st of 2024. So that's the business move and the business justification for your stakeholders to agree with. Hope you take my advice and make that move right now. Talk to you later, guys. Have a good one. TLS 1.3, it's here. Make that move.